It's Sunday, the 21st of June 2015. I thought I'd do a chart on Saracen Minerals. It seems to be one that a few people are interested in. I've got this purple zone here as the most obvious thing on a long-term chart is historic resistance zone, and it's about that level now after a run from 20 cents since the start of 2015. There's been, I guess you could see that last year there was a couple of speculative rallies with the gold price, fairly similar on a lot of the other gold stocks. So you can, it was pretty similar. And then again at the start of this year, the rally from 20 cents played out the same sort of range. But since then, whereas these two, but they're more speculative. It's come up and then retraced quite sharply. The move this time has been a lot stronger with a gradual shift upwards, showing that the buyers are in control and gradually pushing the share price upwards. Volume trend, I've normalized for some of these outliers here, which is this was the rebalancing of the GDXJ, I think, at the end of December. So if you can see that on this trend here, there's been fairly consistent volume, not dropping off too much, and just this is sort of I guess a broad range that I've defined here, and it's just drifted past out of that little channel that it had been in, not on any particular large volume though. So I don't know if that's the end of the trend. Probably a little bit too early to tell. This volume here, once again, is related to some ASX rebalancing, I think, on Friday. So I think the market cap's about 360 million, which is quite high considering they're only 160,000 ounces of current production. I think their next project is due to come online maybe in the next 2 years, and that's about 130,000 ounces of production. But it's $360 million market cap's quite high for that level of production. So a lot of the share price growth might have factored in that development project as well. And obviously their earnings are in their operation is in Australia as well, and the development project too. So that's been a bit of a tailwind for a lot of the Australian producers this year. So it's one that I continue to watch, but I don't currently hold it. Probably a little bit too early to tell how this is going to play out here on the chart.